Welcome back. So let's fix the update function. And the first thing I want to do is I want to make the using statement. I want to make a variable called unit of work, and I want to make that equal to facade, and then grab a unit of work from the facade to actually show that. Now we're going to start a new unit of work right here. Let's just start it like this. And again, you can have the extra line there for the curly bracket. The first thing I want to do with the unit of work is I'm just going to follow the exact guide that I have right here and then add the save changes in the end. So the first thing I want to do with my unit of work is actually get the customer from the database. Let me just grab that up here, and then I'm going to say unit of work like this, unit of work dot get the repository, and then get the customer like this and put in the ID of cost.id like this. So this is kind of how I get the customer through the unit of work. Now it fails right now, but that's just because I have a same name for variable down here. And now I have the unit of work getting the customer for me. I can actually just grab this code and paste it in here. And the last thing I need to do is just use my unit of work to actually save the changes like this. And I do that by doing the complete, of course, and now I'm actually done. That's all I have to do. So now this one is actually working, but there's still a small issue because I don't think I'm actually using it inside the program CS file. So here we have the edit customer. Step one, it finds the customer by ID. So now we have the customer that we want to edit right here using the customer service. And then we change the information for the customer up here, right? But we're not going in and actually calling the service to actually end up updating the customer. So we just need to kind of end up here just calling the BLL facade and then just putting in the customer that we want to change like this with update. There we go. So that's kind of the missing step right here. And let's just put it in here because we don't want to do it unless we find the customer actually. So now we have it all set up. Let's see if it actually runs. So the program pops up. Let's list all customer. We have Bob Dylan. Let's try and edit Bob Dylan. ID 1. Let's put in 1, 2, 3 like this. List all customers again. We just changed it. We just freaking changed it. We now have a unit of work. We have a repository. We have a service layer. We have the business logic facade. We have a dull facade. We are pretty much perfect on the architecture side now. Few changes here and there, like we are like 98%, and the last 2% they are not required. So let's keep it like this, and next lesson I'm just wrapping everything up. See you next time.